You are most welcome once again. So in the previous video, we looked at how we can insert a chart from a different data set and use the chart to add different elements and do different layouts. In this new video, we are going to see how we can change the type of the chart. So right now, I have the 2-column chart and I want to change this chart into a 3-column chart. So what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and select change chart type. Then I will get a list of charts available, and in this case I'm going to select the 3-column chart. After selecting that, press OK and the chart will be changed. What about if I want to change to a different chart, say a line graph? I go ahead and select change chart type. And select line graph. I can choose any of these line graph. So I want to use that or that one. After that, select, click OK, and then the chart will be changed. What about if I want to change to another type of chart, say the pie chart? Click on the pie, select sample of the pie. After that one, press OK, and the chart will be changed to a pie chart. So after doing that, it's very important that you've now known how you can insert charts from any data set, use the chart to add different elements, and also do different quick layouts and change different colors and design. And also you've known how you can change different charts from one to another. It's very important that this will help you as you do different type of data sorting analysis and different way you can manipulate your data in your field. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.